Struggling to fall asleep? Or maybe you wake up feeling like you barely rested at all. I've been there, and I know how frustrating it is. Tonight, I'm sharing my go-to herbal tea. 100% natural, no pills, no side effects. Let's make bedtime something you look forward to. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile. This classic flower relaxes your nervous system and signals your body it's time to wind down. Next, a teaspoon of dried lavender. Its aroma and natural compounds help ease anxiety and invite calm. And finally, a teaspoon of dried lemon balm. This underrated herb melts away stress and can actually improve your sleep quality. Boil 2 cups of water. Once it's bubbling, pour it over your herbs in a heat-proof jar or mug. Cover and let it steep for 7 to 10 minutes. The longer it sits, the stronger the calming effect. I love watching the steam rise as I pour this into my favorite glass mug. This tea doesn't just help you fall asleep, it helps you stay asleep so you wake up truly refreshed. I recommend sipping it about 30 minutes before bed. No phone, no emails, just you, your tea, and a good book. Let your mind settle and let the herbs do their magic. Make this tea part of your nightly routine and discover just how restorative sleep can be. Like, subscribe, and share this with anyone you know who could use a better night's rest.